Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Y variables key in order to take advantage of function notation on your graphing calculator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define a function using y equals. And what I want to do is I want to make it somewhat difficult. Let's do cosine of x plus 3 times the natural log of x. Something that I generally wouldn't be able to do by hand or just know some specific values for. All right, so I'm going to define that function. And let's say I have a calculus problem and I need to find the average rate of change over some interval of this function. All right, so because I have this stored in y equals, I can define my variables, right? I've got my variables here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those. So if I want to do an average rate of change, let's say I want to go between 2 and 5, the average rate of change between x equals 2 and x equals 5. Click on the y variables. All right, I have my function in y1, and now I'm just going to treat it like function notation. So I first want f of 5, or in this case y1 of 5, minus y1 of 2, close that off, and then divide that by the group 5 minus 2. You can just do 3 if you want to do that yourself, but I'm just illustrating the average rate of change formula. So now y1 of 5 minus y1 of 2 over 5 minus 2 should give me the average rate of change between x equals 2 and x equals 5, and that turns out to be a 0.91 whatever. In AP Calculus, that would be a 0.915 if you're rounding or truncating. Do keep in mind that this is dependent on the mode that you are in. I think I'm in radian mode. Nope, I'm in degree mode. Either way, whatever mode you're in, that is how you use function notation with your y variables in order to access function values, in order to use for formulas or evaluation, or really any number of things.